Hey everyone, it's Shannon and I am the twin mama of many hats. Today my crazy hat is a turkey hat, gobble gobble gobble, in celebration of upcoming Thanksgiving Day. And for the next 10 days I'm going to be doing a video series on things that I'm most thankful for. Today my first choice is my family. I'm so thankful to have them in my life and to have a healthy, happy family. My wonderful husband, my best friend Mick, and our beautiful twin little girls, McKenna and Samantha, who are 5 years old. So I don't remember life without them, nor would I want to. They've just changed my world completely, and I love them so much. And to the rest of my family as well, I'm very thankful for my mom, my dad, you know, everybody, my stepmom, everybody that I love and care about. And it's important to remember those people, especially during this holiday, because that's what it's all about, giving thanks. So take time out of your busy daily routine to try to get ready for Turkey Day and just sit for a sit for a minute in a quiet place and just really reflect on what you're thankful for. So I want to invite you to visit my blog at www.twinmama, M-A-M-M-A, of manyhats.com. I will have some fun crafts to do with your kids, some fun recipes to make during the holidays, and just some really cool things that you can start new traditions with. Also, visit me on Facebook and like me at Twin Mama of Many Hats. Guys, dare to dream, dare to be amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.